Say it's chocolate.
Yes, another Shopee delivery.
I want to open this.
Okay, show it to them. First parcel and the other one. You want this first?
This one.
That one, the big one. Give me. Okay. Oh, careful. Move there. Okay.
I can open.
Baby, Mama will. Yun na, more. Where's you get the other parcel? Oy, why you throw it? Oy, give that to me, babe. Okay, you stay there. Okay. Move. Because this is dangerous. Mama is using scissors.
I can open.
Wait. Yun na, there's more. Oh, careful. Oh, more tape, yun na. Here. And this side. Oopsie. This is from Baby Company.
Baby Coco Man.
Baby Company. Okay, open.
Oh, more.
Okay, get it. Okay. Oh
I
my.
have more.
Babe, give me the paper.
Open
Which
it.
one do you like? The paper and let's show it to them. Give me. This one is Cetaphil wash and
It's mine.
yes, show it to them. No, legit store from Shopee but from Baby Company. So it has receipt, guys. So
Let's open.
legit na legit. Okay, here. Put it. Give it to Mama. I'll cut it. Okay.
I
No? Usually, pag wala akong nakikita nito sa mall, I ordered online kasi sa lahat ng soap na nagamit ko sa kanila, guys, masiyang sila sa Cetaphil. Kahit sa Yuna, pawis na pawis, ang bango pa rin. Last time, I used Aveeno, but parang bihiyang si Yuna sa Aveeno. Tsaka ito, yung gusto, wait, I will show it to them first. I like it kasi may free na dalawang maliliit. Show it to them. No. You want to open more? Okay.
It's a sticker.
Yes. You know, you play the sticker later. So, free ang dalawang maliliit. Oh, this one. Okay. Okay. Oh, careful. Move. Yun na, move.
You need sticker.
Yes. You need scissors. Open. Wow. You know what is that?
Yeah, it's mine.
Baby, open more.
Mine.
Yes, I got it for you. Babe.
I open.
You're so cute. Babe, open more.
I open.
You know what is this?
Yeah.
This is
Mine.
yes, color pencil.
Oh, mine.
Yes, sharpener and the rub. No, move there.
This one is mine.
Yes. Okay, we'll just cut it here. Yes,
Okay.
this is for Ate Yuna for her. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, there's more.
Pencil.
Yes. Oo, careful ha. Slowly. Sharpener. And, kasi marami ng pencil si Yuna ito. Okay. Billy, show it to them, B. This is, here, 24 pieces na color pencil. Kasi, the last time I bought Yuna, oh, may sharpen na pala to. The last time I bought Yuna crayons. Oh my God, Yuna is trying to eat the crayons. Wow. So ito kasi marunong siya.
I don't like eat it.
Yes, you cannot eat this and you should not eat the crayons, Yuna. It's not a food.
No, give me.
Wow, you like it?
Yeah. I know how to get my workbook.
Yes.
I'll
Let's
go.
get. Oh, you say bye-bye first.
Bye. I'll go to my.
Okay, flying kiss. Mwah.
I'll go to my workbook. Okay.
Okay.